Dear students, next topic it is grassland, tropical grassland. These occur on either sides of the equator and extend till the tropics. From equator to, if it is globe, from equator, this is the equator, from to tropical area, both sides of tropic of Cancer as well as tropic of Capricorn. Up to that area we can see which one, tropical grassland. Then this vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. Which area we are getting low or moderate rainfall, in that area we can see the growth of the grassland. The grass can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height. Some type of bamboo type or the cow feed like that, some grasses it is growing, and it is height it is coming 3 to 4 meters. Example, savanna grassland of Africa. Common animals, elephant, zebras, giraffes, deers, leopard. Means which elephant? We can see elephant, zebra or giraffe, deer. All these animals, they are having the eating their food, they are depending on grass, and to eat that animals, leopard like that, some animals we can see there. Then temperate grassland, these are found in the mid latitudinal zones and the interior parts of the continent. Grasses here is short and nutritious, so very nutritious grasses it is, and in that area we can see many this cow rearing people or the cattle rearing people, they are living in that area. Common animals, wild buffaloes, bisons and antelopes. Why? They are getting the grass there in that area. Then thorny bushes, these are found in dry desert-like regions which are located in the western margins of the continent. The vegetation covers the surface because the scanty rain and scorchy heat. We know the cactus like that plants only growing in the desert region. Then polar region, this place is extremely cold. The growth of the natural vegetation is very limited here. Only mosses and very small shrubs are found here, which grows during the very short summer season, maybe 3 months or 4 months, sometimes 1 month, that summer season only, like that grasses also grow. In which area? It is in the polar region. Then this is called tundra types of vegetation. What we are calling it? Tundra type of vegetation. This vegetation is found in the polar areas of Europe, Asia and North America. Animals have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climatic condition. The common animal, seal, walrus, musk oxen, then Arctic owl, polar bear and snow foxes. So this grassland also may ask us a 5-mark question. So we are having divisions: tropical grassland, second one temperate grassland, then thorny bushes, then polar region. We are having 4 division. It may ask us a 5-mark question, or we can ask like this, any forest type also we can ask as a 5-mark question, and many objective type, which type of tree, it may be match the pair, like that question it may get it, which type of tree in which area. Temperate deciduous forest and giving like a beach, like that you want to match the things. So want to read carefully this, because many objective type question, especially match the pair or fill in the blanks, like that questions you may get from this chapter, as well as 2 5-mark questions you can we can probability to get. The next one 3-mark question, for example deciduous forest, like that separately. If you are reading for 5 mark, then you very easily you can write for 3-mark question. Okay, this is all about the lesson. Okay, we will continue in next video.